Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record audio using a microphone in VN Video Editor. So, let's begin. First of all, you need to open the VN application and then go to New Project. From here, you can select any video or any raw material you want. Whatever your video is, you'll select it here. After that, what do you need to do? Here, you'll see an option called Tap to Add Music. You'll click on that, or you can click on Record. And here's what you need to do next. Look, it's even written here. To record, you can either tap the button once or press and hold it. Just remember, if you want to keep recording, you need to continue holding the button down, or simply tap it to start and stop as needed. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel for more useful content, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll always receive notifications whenever we upload new videos or helpful tutorials.